Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
And today we're going to replace this with Nanoleaf shapes. First, let's unbox them. This Nanoleaf Shapes kit includes 7 triangles and 10 mini triangles, and we have 2 packs. Inside the box are simple instructions, although you can find more information in the Nanoleaf app. Here are the mini triangles, and these are the double-sided stickers to connect them to the wall, power supply, and the remote, although everything can be controlled with this smart app. Here's a quick look at how they connect together. You press the linker into 2 panels and done. We started by removing the old studio sign.
By the way, the dog is sitting right underneath the desk, making it really, really difficult, but she seems unconcerned about us stepping on her.
I fed the power cable through the bottom of the desk and added it to the cable cover already on the wall. Then I laid all the panels out to come up with the design. I will point out in the Nanoleaf app, there's a layout assistant where you can virtually lay out different ideas or have the app create an idea for you. Then we added a sticker to the back of each panel, making sure a little bit hung off of the edge for easy removal in the future. Mom added the backs to the mini triangles. Now we had this cord that we needed to hide that connects my speakers to each other. So we tried to place it in the grooves on the backside of the large triangles. To place the triangle, I'm applying pressure in a circular motion for 30 seconds. Then I continued adding triangles. You only have enough linkers to add 1 linker per panel, but they can attach in a few different positions. After we had a few panels up, I plugged in the power and connected the lights to the app. One thing to note is we have 2 boxes of Nanoleaf shapes, so we had 2 power supplies and 2 remotes. I got them mixed up and it didn't work at first, so I learned that the power supply and remote are connected to each other. So make sure the number on the paper and the remote and the power supply are the same. We continued to add panels. This time connecting a few panels on the ground, then putting them into place. The linkers between the panels don't actually add structural support, so make sure you take the sticker off the back of each panel and attach that to the wall, and that's how it will stay nice and secure on the wall. And here they are all done. So fun! What we learned!
Well, the coolest thing that we learned is that our local Costco carries these lights, and they're a better value than what we paid for before, and there's more lights in them, so it's a great addition to this room.
So like we said, we actually have put up the Nanoleaf elements before, and they have a wood look to them, which we really like, and that's in the living room. But in here, I wanted a little something extra. And what's cool is I can add up to 150 lights to this strand. That would be the whole room. That would be a lot. But we can add more to this at any time, and we can rearrange them if we want. So it's a nice thing that you can really kind of change it however the mood strikes. And I can also change the colors really easily in the app.
Now we debated on whether to leave the hanging light or not, and went back and forth with it. I didn't really like it, but we ended up integrating the light into the setup, so I actually like it now, and I like that warm tone that you get along with the cool tones of the light. So I think it works well together.
And originally I was thinking I wanted to actually put the lights on the sidewall as well, which we were going to do, and I actually bought some of the flexible linkers that you need in order to do that. So we were going to stop the project and just kind of wait till those arrived, but then I realized I thought it needed a little bit more on the back wall, so that's why we finished it off the way we did. So, and I'm sorry that they don't show up as well on camera as they do in real life. This is something you really just have to experience for yourself. But we're really happy with them, and if you want to find these out, we'll put a couple different links below to this product and the video that we did before using the Elements version that they make. Alright, so thanks for joining us. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And I'll see you next time. Bye!